Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a simple trick to create an aesthetic aquascape in Hardtopia. So first, just go to the advanced mode like this. And then next, just build a small base using 4 pieces and a few walls. For example, I want to build like this. And then after that, just place your fish tank on top of the floor that you just built. I want to use the medium fish tank like this. Like this, you can see it. And then just check please. And then after that, just move the aquarium into an invalid area. I want to place on here. And then next, just quickly tap on the eye icon on here, this icon, and then check mark icon at the same time. Just tap these two buttons at the same time to activate the glitch or overlap like this. And if it doesn't work on your first try, just don't worry. Just repeat the process a few times until the aquarium successfully moves. Let's just repeat the process like this. Like this, you can see it's already moved like this. You can see it. And then after the aquarium has been moved, next just start placing your plants or your decorations on the floor where the fish tank was originally located. In here I want to place plant. Just arrange everything however you like and get creative with the designs. And then when you're happy with the layout, just tap on the complete. And that's it. You can see it. Your aquascape is finished like this. You can see it. The plants will appear inside the aquarium and it will creating a beautiful custom fish tank. Now you can, and then next you can add even more decorations and customize the area to match your own styles. Just create it more further for this aquascape. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.